Hello friends, today we are explaining dashboard lights, what they means and why they pop up. So if you can see here, there's a couple of you can see, but couple of they are not visible, so they only visible when they pop up. So first you can see brake air. It means your air brake system run with the air, and when it's down or below, so it means you can't drive. All your airbags and the brakes, clutch pedal, they run with the air. So if there is no good enough pressure, so it's not good to drive truck. So if this pop up, you need to wait until it's go away. So this one, it's a parking brake. When you put your hand brakes on, it's pop up. So that one is a oil temperature. So it's tell you how hot is your engine oil. So that one pops up when your service due. So this one, I just find it's I'm in a Isuzu old model. So this light pop up when your tail lights not working, or maybe bulb fuse, something like that. Then it's pop up. That is a battery light. If your battery not enough charge or battery not good, that's for that. There's a light up here, it's for differential, axle. There's an engine brake light. And there's a couple of them here, see. This one, Isuzu old FVL old model, nearly 2007 or 2010. So they're pretty good trucks. So not many sensors in these trucks. So they're good. I don't like truck with sensors. There's always something on, some issues, so this one, those are the lights. I will explain you later. So this one, it's a fuel meter. It's just for a tutorial for new peoples. So if you already know, you can skip the video. So this is a temperature meter. It's always stay in the middle. If it's C means cooler, H means hot. If it's this way more, it means your engine running cooler. If it's more up that way, it means it's getting hot. This is a air pressure. So always make sure it's in between, somewhere here close to 10. So this is your RPM meter, and this is your speedometer.